Hey Norcold owners! If you're watching this video, it's probably because you have a sagging freezer door flap that won't close on its own in your Norcold single door fridge. This could be in your RV, camper, motorhome, or travel trailer. You've looked and you can't find the replacement parts you need anywhere, and paying a couple $1,000 for a new fridge is, well, chilling. Hi, I'm Bruce with iFiXiFi. We're a small American family-owned business that helps you fix the stuff you love, and I'm going to show you how easy and cheap it is to use iFiXiFi parts made for Dometic to get your Norcold working for another lifetime and get you back on the road and camping again. Here's the problem. The reason your Norcold freezer flap has stopped closing usually has to do with this part right here. It's called a spring assembly. And if this wears out or gets broken, your Norcold freezer door doesn't shut on its own. The stuff in your freezer thaws, and the stuff in your fridge, like lettuce and eggs, freezes. So you end up spending more money and time on supplies and less time enjoying RV life. But there's another problem. Norcold stopped making replacement parts a while back, and you can't find them anywhere. But there is a way to get your freezer door working again. Smart Norcold owners like you have figured out that you can use our American-produced iFiXiFi parts on your Norcold fridge freezer with a couple of minor adjustments. So take a look at what they did to get their freezer door working again. First, they get our 3-in-1 spring housing kit. This kit has all 3 parts that make up the spring assembly. You'll need all 3 parts because the Dometic version is shorter. Take a look. Here's the Norcold in my left hand and the Dometic version in my right hand. You can see that the Norcold version is longer, so you can use iFiXiFi parts if you use the complete package. And even though our parts are designed for Dometic, they will work in your Norcold. And they're covered by our no BS warranty, so Norcold owners can fix it once with iFiXiFi. The other thing that some Norcold owners are telling us is that they need to enlarge the hole in their fridge wall that this peg goes into. No big deal. If needed, they're just using a 1/4-inch drill bit to carefully make that hole a little bigger. And so far, only a couple of folks have needed to do this. Here I have a demonstration template for the hole that you'll see in your fridge wall. And you can see that the Dometic part should fit exactly where the Norcold part fit. Lastly, the Norcold housing has this feature that the Dometic part does not. It's a preventer to stop the freezer door flap from opening too far. The Dometic version does not have one because Dometic molds the stop into the wall of the fridge. So what you can do is get a stick-on bumper, kind of like these. Just follow the manufacturer's instructions that came with the bumper for best results, and I'll put a link in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you think we should offer a kit that includes the parts, a drill bit, and the bumpers. The other thing that you'll need to know is, just like in your Norcold, there is a left side spring assembly to replace the assembly that's on your left side as you stand facing your open fridge, and a right side spring assembly to replace the assembly that's on your right side as you stand facing your open fridge. Okay, you got the parts, you got the tools, so how do you do the install? Already, dozens of Norcold owners so far have confirmed that our repair video that I'll post right up there has all the information that you need to repair your Norcold fridge. The techniques are the same for Norcold and Dometic, and I will also post the link to that video in the description below. I will also post a link so that you can get the parts that you need directly from us at iFiXiFi.com. You can also find our stuff on Amazon and eBay, but when you buy direct from us, you're getting the best price and supporting a small American business that produces and supports our products right here in Oregon. We know camping because we go camping, and we sure do appreciate your business and your word of mouth. Give us a like, hit the subscribe button, and share this video with anyone whose Norcold fridge is acting up. Let us know in the comments how this fix worked for you. Thanks again, and happy camping!